never race alone. From liberation to the finish line. Benzing, you never race alone. One Benzing family, one common goal. Racing pigeons, flying home. You never race alone. Across the distance,